I'll be providing a brief overview of the project, which will lay the foundation for further discussions today. And if you bear with me for one moment while I share my screen. The overall aim of the project is to address some of the immediate social and economic impacts of the COVID-19 on tourism and heritage, to accelerate the recovery, to protect livelihoods, and transform the sector to become more inclusive and sustainable. The project will lay the foundation for a more strategic approach to promoting sustainable tourism at World Heritage destinations, while supporting the social and cultural cohesion of communities and the project will be implemented in 7 countries and World Heritage properties. In addition to Namibia, the project will be implemented in Kenya, Cambodia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Georgia. There are 3 main components to the project. The first is the promotion of sustainable tourism approaches at World Heritage destinations and expanding the UNESCO Sustainable Travel Pledge. In 2019, UNESCO and the Expedia Group launched a partnership focused on promoting sustainable tourism and heritage conservation through a sustainable travel pledge. The pledge takes an industry-first approach to environmental and cultural protection, requiring hotel operators to introduce firm measures to protect the environment and promote local culture. It is the first collaboration between UNESCO and a global online travel agency. The pilot phase of the project was launched in 2020 in Thailand in collaboration with the Tourism Authority of Thailand. And as we have expanded globally, close to 10,000 hotels have made commitments, with companies such as Accor and Melia signing on. The second component focuses on creating short-term job opportunities for young unemployed hospitality workers through the application of a cash-for-work scheme for cultural heritage safeguarding and maintenance interventions in select World Heritage properties. And the third component focuses on enhanced training and capacity building for tourist guides, guiding, and craft-making sectors, with a particular focus on women through the development of micro-accreditation schemes. Training will be structured with a combination of online training courses and a blended learning course, which will take place in the destination and assess. Both courses will provide micro-accreditation through a badging system. The online training will utilize the GIZ-developed Activity platform. Each component will have a set of activities that will be implemented over the coming months. So for the promotion of sustainable tourism approaches at World Heritage destination, the specific activities will be the development of a global website for the UNESCO Sustainable Travel Pledge, which has recently been completed. The second activity is the organization of awareness and capacity building activities to strengthen management systems and promote new product development as commitments under the UNESCO Sustainable Travel Pledge. And third is to review and monitor commitments and compile best practice case studies. The activities associated with the third component are to create a cash-for-work scheme for cultural heritage safeguarding and maintenance intervention in select World Heritage properties. The activities will be an assessment of existing site management, tourism, and maintenance plans to identify needs and opportunities, to establish mechanisms for the selection, contractual, and monitoring procedures for the participants for the cash-for-work activities, and finally, the implementation of pilot schemes against the clear timeframe. For the enhanced capacity and training for tourist guiding and craft-making sectors, the activities include a needs assessment to determine training needs and priorities, the establishment of a mechanism for the selection, contractual, and monitoring procedures for the participants, the development of training materials and application to an established learning management system, and finally, licensing and other. Just a brief overview of the different aspects of the project. We very much look forward to working with you over the coming months to successful completion of this very timely and important project. So thank you very much for your attention. And again, I look forward to working with you.